results for the day. Hindustan Unilever and the stock slumped after the company reported a disappointing set of Q1 earnings. Let's take a look at the volume growth, which was tepid, sales below expectations. Profits, though, were in line with estimates. Now, HUL expects near-term growth to remain muted. However, hopes of an above-normal monsoon offering some respite to the management. Priya, who was at the HUL headquarters in Mumbai, takes us through the results. Priya.
Well, it's a mixed set of numbers for FMCG major Hindustan Unilever. In fact, profits as well as margins have met street expectation, but the biggest disappointment was on the volumes front. That's come in at about 4% versus an expectation of about 4.5 to 5.5%. But of course, the management did say that the volume as well as the value growth has been the softest in the industry over the last 10 years. But of course, an important part was the input costs, and pricing as well as promotions could be impacted due to the input costs firming up. Urban as well as rural demand has been quite muted because we're not seeing that much demand recovery in both the areas. The big focus for the company going forward is going to be on the natural space, and with the completion of the Indulekha acquisition this quarter, we can expect more activity from HUL in the Ayurveda space. Now, the second half of the year is likely to be better than the first half, is what the management is saying, owing to the better monsoons as well as the impact of the pay commission trickling in. More importantly, there are two announcements that HUL made this quarter. One is, of course, the intention to invest about 1,000 crores in setting up a new personal care plant in Assam, and also the intention to divest a stake in Kimberly-Clark Lever Limited. So therefore, this will give HUL an opportunity to divest non-core businesses and invest this amount as far as growing their overall core business is concerned.
We're absolutely delighted that the monsoons, from all indications, are going to be reasonably good this year. And that certainly going into the future should augur well for our business. We play the different levers of business, yeah? So there is no one-to-one correlation between commodity prices and the prices of our products. We look at the whole value chain, yeah? We are relentless in driving efficiencies, and the whole idea is to make ourselves as efficient as possible. And as far as pricing is concerned, there are various factors which go into it.